I keep mixing up shallow copy and deep copy in Python. What's the real difference?
The difference is about how much of an object structure gets duplicated.
So both are copies, just at different depths?
Exactly. A shallow copy duplicates the outer object, but not the inner objects.
Meaning nested objects are still shared?
Yes, both the original and the copy point to the same inner objects.
Can you give a simple example?
Imagine a list that contains another list inside it.
Like a equals 2, 3, 4.
Perfect. If you make a shallow copy of A, the inner 3, 4 is not copied.
So both lists reference the same inner list?
Exactly. Change the inner list in one, and the other sees it.
That sounds dangerous.
It can be, if you're not expecting it.
How do you create a shallow copy?
You can use slicing, the copy method, or copy.copy.
All of those behave the same way?
For shallow copies, yes.
So what about deep copy?
A deep copy duplicates everything, outer object and all nested objects.
So no shared references at all?
Correct. The copy is completely independent.
If I modify a nested object, the original won't change?
Exactly. That's the main benefit of deep copying.
How do you make a deep copy?
Using copy.deepcopy.
Why isn't deep copy the default then?
Because it's more expensive in terms of time and memory.
Since it has to recursively copy everything.
Yes, every nested object gets duplicated.
So shallow copy is faster and lighter.
But riskier if objects are mutable.
Mutable, like lists, dictionaries, sets?
Exactly. Immutable objects don't cause the same issue.
Because they can't be changed anyway.
Right. Sharing immutable objects is harmless.
So shallow copy is often fine when data is mostly immutable.
Or when you intentionally want shared inner data.
That's an interesting point.
Sometimes sharing is a feature, not a bug.
Can shallow copies still surprise developers?
Very often, especially with nested data structures.
Like modifying one copy and seeing changes elsewhere.
Exactly, that's a classic Python pitfall.
Does deep copy always work safely?
Mostly, but it can struggle with very complex or custom objects.
Like objects with external resources?
Yes, or objects that define special copy behavior.
So you still need to understand what you're copying.
Always. Copying blindly can be inefficient or incorrect.
Is assignment a kind of copy?
No, assignment just creates another reference.
So B equals A doesn't copy anything.
Correct. Both names point to the same object?
That's even shallower than a shallow copy.
Exactly. No copy at all.
So we have 3 levels. Reference, shallow copy, deep copy.
That's a great way to think about it.
When should I prefer shallow copy?
When performance matters and shared nested data is acceptable.
And deep copy when I need full independence.
Yes, especially for complex mutable structures.
Is there a rule of thumb?
If modifying nested data should never affect the original, use deep copy.
Otherwise, shallow copy might be enough.
Exactly.
So the key difference is shared references versus fully duplicated objects.
That's the core idea.
Simple concept, but easy to misuse.
True, but once you understand it, bugs become much easier to spot.